Percy loved shunting. Percy shunted them back and forth every time on his spare time. Then Percy had a job. Mr. Hand needed to announce him. Percy? Yes? I need you to push some trucks somewhere. I don't want them here anymore. If you take them somewhere, I'll give you a reward. Yay, I love rewards. So please do your job. Okay. Beep, beep. I'll do it. Percy got started and set off at once. Percy was having a fun time with the trucks, but the trucks were being a little bit troublesome. Pull back! Pull back! Be quiet! But on the way, some of the trucks derailed. Later, Percy got them back on the rails, then he started off again. At last, Percy made it with all his freight cars. Right on time, Percy. Thanks, Thomas. That was pretty exhausting, though. And then Percy had a rest on the siding. Oh, that was some pretty hard work. Then Percy fell asleep.